How do I understand specific lines on Form 1040? Imagine sitting down with your tax firm and feeling unsure about what each line really means. That feeling is common, but once you know what to look for, reading Form 1040 becomes much easier. This form is the main way the Internal Revenue Service checks your income, deductions, and taxes owed. It helps determine if you get money back or owe more. At the top, you fill in your personal details like your name, social security number, and your filing status. Your filing status could be single, married filing jointly, or head of household. These choices affect your tax rates and credits. Just below that, you report your income. Lines 1 through 7 are where you put wages, interest, dividends, and other income sources. For example, wages from your job go on line 1, which you get from your W-2 form. If you earned interest from a bank account, that goes on line 2. If you sold investments and made a profit, that goes on Schedule D, but the gains are added to your total income on the main form. Next, you see the adjusted gross income section. Here, you subtract certain expenses like student loan interest or contributions to retirement accounts. The result is your adjusted gross income, which is on line 11. This number is important because it's used to figure out your taxable income. Your taxable income is what you actually pay taxes on, and it's calculated after subtracting either the standard deduction or itemized deductions. These are reported on Schedule A if you itemize. Lines 12 through 15 show your tax calculation. Line 16 is where you see the total tax you owe before any credits. Credits like the child tax credit or earned income tax credit can reduce this amount. These credits are directly subtracted from your tax bill, making a big difference. Then, you look at the payments section. Lines 17 through 19 show how much tax you already paid through withholding from your paycheck or estimated payments. If the total payments are more than your tax, you get a refund. That's shown on line 20. If you paid less than what you owe, the difference is on line 23, and you will need to pay that amount. Sometimes, your situation needs extra forms. For example, Schedule C is used if you have a small business, Schedule D for investment gains, and Schedule Southeast for self-employment taxes. These schedules help you report specific income and expenses accurately. For Latino families, understanding these lines helps you make sure all income is reported correctly. It also helps you claim credits like the child tax credit or earned income tax credit, which can lower your taxes or increase your refund. If you run a small business or side gig, Schedule C and Schedule Southeast are important to get right. Using tax software or talking to a tax professional familiar with your situation can make this process easier. They can help you find the right schedules and credits you qualify for, so you don't miss out on any benefits. Remember, each line on Form 1040 has a specific purpose. Knowing what each one means and when to use additional schedules helps you file accurately and get the most out of your tax return.